G'day, wildlife enthusiasts! Welcome to another exciting episode where we explore the wonders of nature. Today, we're diving into the world of a remarkable little bird, the American dipper. This fascinating bird is known for its unique behaviors and incredible adaptations that allow it to thrive in some of the most challenging environments. These tough guys are found near fast-moving rocky rivers across North America. They make their homes in these dynamic and often harsh environments where the water is constantly moving and the terrain is rugged. They're not afraid of a little cold water. These birds are built for it. With their waterproof feathers and strong, muscular legs, they can dive and swim in icy waters with ease. It's truly a sight to behold. The American dipper is about the size of a robin with a stocky body and short tail. But don't let their size fool you. These birds are incredibly resilient and resourceful. They're easy to spot with their dark gray feathers and a white patch on their chest, like a little life vest. This distinctive marking makes them stand out against the backdrop of their riverine habitats. You won't find these birds hanging out in trees. Unlike many other bird species, the American dipper prefers the rocky riverbanks and the fast-flowing waters where they can find their food. They prefer to be closer to the action, hopping along rocky riverbanks and dipping their heads into the water, looking for a tasty meal. Their diet mainly consists of aquatic insects and small fish, which they skillfully catch with their sharp beaks. Crikey, these birds are something else. Watching them in action is a reminder of the incredible diversity and adaptability of wildlife. So next time you're near a fast-moving river, keep an eye out for the amazing American dipper. Now, how do these birds find their food in the rushing water? They dive right in, that's how. These little guys are expert swimmers and divers, using their powerful legs and wings to navigate the currents. They've got a special trick up their feathery sleeves. They can close their nostrils and even have a third eyelid that acts like goggles, letting them see clearly underwater. Talk about being prepared. Once submerged, the American dipper searches for aquatic insects, larvae, and even small fish. It's like an underwater buffet for these incredible birds. They use their strong beaks to snatch up their prey from the riverbed. Living in fast-moving water is no easy feat, but the American dipper has some incredible adaptations that help it thrive in this challenging environment. These birds are tougher than they look. Remember those goggles I mentioned? Well, they're called nictitating membranes, and they're like a clear protective shield over the dipper's eyes. This allows them to see clearly underwater without irritating their eyes. Brilliant! Their nostrils have special flaps that close when they submerge, preventing water from rushing in. And check this out, their bones are solid, unlike most birds which have hollow bones. This helps them stay submerged and reduces their buoyancy. How cool is that? When it's time to raise a family, the American dipper builds a unique nest that's perfectly suited for their watery lifestyle. They find a sheltered spot near the river, often behind a waterfall or under a rocky overhang. The nest is dome-shaped and made of moss, grass, and twigs. It's almost completely enclosed except for a small entrance hole on the side. Talk about a cozy hideaway. But here's the best part. The nest is designed to stay warm and dry even when it's wet outside. The moss lining the nest absorbs moisture and helps regulate the temperature inside, keeping the eggs and chicks safe and sound. Section 5. Teamwork makes the dream work, raising a family. Raising a family is a team effort for the American dipper. These small aquatic songbirds are known for their remarkable parenting skills and dedication to their offspring. Nestled near fast-flowing streams and rivers, their nests are often hidden behind waterfalls or on rocky ledges, providing a safe haven for their young. Both parents share the responsibility of incubating the eggs and caring for the chicks. The male and female work in perfect harmony, taking turns to ensure that the eggs are kept at the right temperature and that the chicks are well fed and protected from predators. The female usually lays between 3 to 5 white eggs, which are carefully placed in a well-constructed nest made of moss, grass, and leaves. This nest is often built in a concealed location to keep it hidden from potential threats. Both parents take turns sitting on the eggs to keep them warm. This period of incubation lasts for about 2 weeks, during which time the parents remain vigilant and attentive, rarely leaving the nest unattended. After about 2 weeks, the eggs hatch, revealing tiny, helpless chicks. These newborns are completely dependent on their parents for warmth, food, and protection. And out pop the cutest little chicks you've ever seen. These fluffy little creatures are a joy to watch as they begin to explore their surroundings and interact with their siblings. Both parents work tirelessly to feed their hungry chicks, bringing them a steady supply of insects and larvae from the river. The parents are constantly on the move, diving into the water to catch food, and returning to the nest to feed their young, bringing them a steady supply of insects and larvae from the river. This constant effort ensures that the chicks receive the necessary nutrients to grow strong and healthy. The chicks grow quickly and are ready to leave the nest after about 3 weeks. During this time, they develop the skills they need to survive on their own, such as foraging for food and avoiding predators. It's amazing to see these little guys grow up so fast. Watching them take their first flights and venture out into the world is a testament to the dedication and hard work of their parents. The American dipper's commitment to raising their young is truly inspiring and a beautiful example of teamwork in nature. Section 6. Facing the challenges. Life in the fast lane. Life in the fast lane isn't always easy for the American dipper. They face a number of challenges, including habitat loss, pollution, and climate change. As humans continue to impact their environment, it's more important than ever to protect these incredible creatures. Pollution from mining, agriculture, and urban runoff can contaminate the rivers where dippers live and hunt. This can poison their food sources and make it difficult for them to survive. We need to be mindful of our impact on their home. Section 7. Dippers and the ecosystem, a vital connection. These little birds might seem small and insignificant, but they play a vital role in their ecosystem. The American dipper, also known as the water ouzel, is a unique bird that thrives in fast-flowing streams and rivers. Its presence is not just a delight for birdwatchers, but a crucial indicator of the health of our freshwater ecosystems. These birds are specially adapted to their aquatic environments, with strong legs and claws that allow them to walk on the stream bed, and a unique ability to dive and swim underwater in search of food. They help control insect populations and serve as an indicator of the health of our rivers and streams. By feeding on aquatic insects and larvae, they keep the insect population in check, which in turn helps maintain the balance of the ecosystem. Their diet includes mayflies, caddisflies, and other small invertebrates that are abundant in clean, oxygen-rich waters. When you see a dipper diving and foraging, it's a sign that the water quality is good and the ecosystem is functioning well. A healthy dipper population is a good sign that the river is clean and thriving. These birds are highly sensitive to pollution and changes in water quality. If the water becomes contaminated or the insect population declines due to pollution or habitat destruction, the dippers will be among the first to disappear. Their presence is a natural barometer of the river's health, providing an early warning system for environmental changes. But if the dipper population declines, it can be a warning sign that something is wrong with the ecosystem. A drop in their numbers can indicate problems such as water pollution, habitat loss, or climate change. Conservationists and scientists monitor dipper populations closely to gather data on the health of freshwater habitats. By studying these birds, we can gain valuable insights into the broader environmental issues affecting our rivers and streams. They're like the canaries in the coal mine. Just as miners once used canaries to detect toxic gases, we can look to the dippers to alert us to the health of our waterways. Their sensitivity to environmental changes makes them an essential species for monitoring the impacts of human activities on natural habitats. Protecting the dipper means protecting the intricate web of life that depends on clean, flowing water. By protecting the American dipper and its habitat, we're also protecting all the other creatures that depend on clean water and healthy rivers. It's all connected, mates. Every action we take to preserve these birds and their environment has a ripple effect, benefiting countless other species and ensuring the vitality of our precious freshwater resources. So next time you see an American dipper, remember the vital connection it represents and the importance of safeguarding our natural world. Section 8. Conservation efforts. Protecting our feathered friends. Thankfully, there are many organizations and individuals working hard to protect the American dipper and its habitat. We need to give these guys a helping hand. Conservation efforts include monitoring dipper populations, restoring degraded rivers and streams, and educating the public about the importance of clean water. Every little bit helps. You can do your part by reducing your water usage, properly disposing of hazardous materials, and supporting organizations that are working to protect our waterways. Together, we can make a difference. Section 9. Fun facts. Did you know? Here are some fun facts about the American dipper that'll blow your mind. They can stay underwater for up to 30 seconds. They have special oil glands that keep their feathers waterproof. They can even walk underwater. They sing a beautiful, wren-like song even in the dead of winter. They were once called water ouzels because of their love for water. Amazing, right? The American dipper is truly a remarkable bird. Section 10. A final word, the wonder of the dipper. Well, there you have it, my friends. The American dipper is a testament to the wonders of nature and the incredible adaptations that animals develop to thrive in their environment. Next time you're near a fast-flowing river, keep an eye out for this amazing little bird. And remember, it's up to all of us to protect these creatures and their fragile habitats for generations to come. Crikey, what a bird.